this lecture, let us discuss about acceptance testing. It's a phase in software development where the system is tested to ensure it meets the specified requirements and is ready for deployment. So here it often involves end users or stakeholders to validate that the software performs as expected in the real world scenarios. So this type of testing ensures that the product is fit for its purpose and is typically conducted after unit testing and integration testing. Here, user acceptance testing is done by customer for satisfaction, and he'll check whether the application is working well or not according to his requirements. So, according to the given business scenarios or real life or real time scenarios. Then, use of acceptance testing. So, here you can use it to find the defects missed during the functional testing phase, and you can use it to check how well the product is developed. So whether the product developed is according to the requirements specified by the customer or not. And a product is what exactly the customers need, right? So you can identify how efficiently the product is working, how efficiently the product is developed. Then it helps us in providing the feedback. So this feedback, it helps in improving the product performance as well as user experience. So whenever we receive feedback from the customer, then you can make some changes in the product. So based on the suggestions or feedback provided by the customer. So you can improve the product performance as well as user experience also. And also it minimizes or eliminate the issues arising from the production. Coming to the advantages. So this testing, it mainly helps the project team to know further requirements from the users. So, as we are taking feedback from the users, here the project team can understand what else or what more requirements are expecting by the user. So they can get it from the users directly as we are involving users in this acceptance testing. And this can be done automatically. So automated test execution is possible, and it brings confidence and satisfaction to the clients because we are involving the clients directly in this testing process. So obviously the client satisfaction and confidence will be more, and it is easier for the user to describe their requirements. So as they are involved in the development or in this testing process, they can they can describe their requirements more clearly. And it covers only the black box testing process. So entire functionality of the product will be tested. Here the information gathered is used to understand the requirements of the targeted audience in a better way. Coming to the disadvantages, users, they should have basic knowledge about the product or application, because as we are involving the users here, they can provide more requirements if they know about the product or application clearly, or if they have some basic knowledge about it. Sometimes users, they don't want to participate in the testing process, so that is again a disadvantage. So if they participate in that, then they can get the exact product, but some users, they won't show interest in participating the testing process. And here the feedback for the testing, it takes a lot of time. So as we are including or involving the users here, getting feedback from every user is a time taking process. And also the opinions which we collect from multiple users, they may vary. So the opinion which is collected from one user, it may differ from the other user.